Well, welcome back to the channel, Ron. I'm back on the 0607 Ford Focus. I know in a lot of my videos I call it an 06 or 07. I'm always getting it confused, but right around that area. 06 is pretty much what I see on the door. But anyways, as you remember, I replaced the airbag. I did not show how to replace the seat belt, but I replaced the seat belt, replaced the front crash sensor after we had a little mishap with the car. I'm ready to get an inspection sticker for this now, and that's one of the things that they're going to be looking for is the airbag light. Put all the new front end parts you saw that I had on this. He's been driving this, but now again it's ready for a sticker. Put some new sneakers on it, but more importantly, the airbag module needs to be reset. So I sent it away to myairbags.com, and this is the first time that I've ever used them. The whole idea is you send this in, they will reset it back to factory defaults, and it should work. So I have no idea. It says it's like 60 bucks on the website, but by the time you get through all the rigmarole of shipping and handling and everything else, it comes up to about $102. So they sent it back in a nice little package. It's really kind of neat because once you send this to them, they check it all out first and they'll call you if there's any concerns. There was no concerns. The website was very easy to understand, and they kept me right in the loop of what was going on. So here it is, nothing new, but the airbag module that I had sent to them. And look at that, it's even got a sticker on it that says OK. So we're going to go ahead and pop this back in. I've already disconnected the battery, obviously. I'm going to pop this back in, we're going to turn it on, and hopefully the airbag light goes out. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Pull up on the emergency brake cable so we can get up in there. Emergency brake handle, I'm sorry. We need to slide that in there. And let's see if I remember how to get it in there. There we go. All right, let's bolt her back in. Okay, next go ahead and plug the module in. Clips in like that. All right, now before I put this whole console back together, I don't believe I'm going to need to take this back out. So let's go ahead and hook up with the battery and let's start it up and see if the airbag light goes out. All right, moment of truth. Let's hit park. We don't care about the radio. Okay, it went out. I'm not sure if it's going to come back on. It seemed to have taken care of the problem. I mean, that was fast. I mean, it came on for a second like it's supposed to, but it shut right off. I would have thought that it would have gone through some sort of sequence or something, but the airbag light is out. Let's go ahead and turn that back off. Turn it on. The airbag light is on. Start it up, and the airbag light goes out. Woo! Awesome. I'm ready for an inspection. Okay, well there it is. I'm real happy with that. So if I had not mentioned, this cost me about, turn this off. This cost me about 106 bucks, I think it was. I shipped me on, they paid for the shipping down. Obviously I paid for it, but they took care of everything. They sent me an RMA number to a shipping label to send the old one down. They did what they needed to do, reset it, and then they sent it back to me. So 106 bucks, I'm happy with that. The airbag light is out. Obviously, it recognizes the new crash sensor, it recognizes seat belt, and it recognizes the new airbag. So there, it's finally done. So I can put this all back together, and hopefully I'm all set to get an inspection sticker. Well, thanks an awful lot for watching, and I hope this helps you with your airbag decision. Again, it's myairbags.com. First time I've used them, and I got to say I'm very impressed with the response that I got back from them as far as getting it back in a timely manner. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.